I wanted to create a switch-like button. When it's switch on, it will add a highlight to a frame, but I'm using TTK and I'm not installing or using any other library. This is how the switch button will look like. I got the idea from the other team that I've talked about in this video. So in the source code of the light team, they have these 3 images that they are using to define a special style called switch, and they applied it to a check button. What I've done is just I copied the switch style and the layout. I changed only here the variables. So I have only 3 images. So I created the images from the files that I had, and I used these 3 variables from these 3 images to define the different states of the check button. So I made the replacement here, and I kept everything the same, and I also added this background color and foreground color because I'm going to use the same background color used in the images of the switch buttons. Then I called source with the name of the TTL file that contains the style of the switch button. Then I created this check button, and I simply added the style this switch.tCheck button, the style in the source code. So when you call it, it looks like a switch button, but if I remove the style, it will look like a regular check button. So now the idea is when I click on the check button, I had this highlight, and when I deactivate it, the highlight will be gone. The problem is when I used a TTK frame, I couldn't add a highlight color. So what I've done is I created 2 frames, a parent frame and a child frame. Then I defined a style, active style for the frame with the background color. Each time I click on the switch button, the activate frame method or function is called. It will check the state of the switch button. If it's selected, it will apply the style of the active frame to the parent frame. So, and its background color will change to this Cerulean blue, and it will change also the text, and if it's not active, it will remove the style and it will change the text to activate. This is why when I click on the switch, the background color of the parent frame will be blue, and deactivate it, it will have no color. So now I'm going to set back the style to my switch button. Style equal switch.tCheck button. So the same name here. You can see here, now it looks like a switch button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.